Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Equation for mortgage payments. M equals the total monthly mortgage payment. P equals the principal loan amount. R equals your monthly interest rate. Lenders provide you an annual rate, so you'll need to divide that figure by 12, the number of months in a year, to get the monthly rate. N equals number of payments over the loan's lifetime.
Take our lead.
Use this simple interest calculator to find A, the final investment value, using the simple interest formula, A equals P, 1 plus RT, where P is the principal amount of money to be invested at an interest rate R% per period for T number of time periods. Where R is in decimal form, R equals R, 100, R and T are in the same units of time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A loan is a commitment that you, the borrower, will receive money from a lender, and you will pay back the total borrowed, with added interest, over a defined time period. Secured loans are loans where borrowers can put up an asset, like a house, as collateral. This gives the lender more confidence in the loan.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Equals PMT rate, NPER, PV, FV type. The PMT function uses the following arguments: rate required argument, the interest rate of the loan. NPER required argument, total number of payments for the loan taken.
Take our lead.
If you want to do the monthly mortgage payment calculation by hand, you'll need the monthly interest rate. Just divide the annual interest rate by 12, the number of months in a year. For example, if the annual interest rate is 4%, the monthly interest rate would be 0.33%, 0.04, 12 equals 0.0033.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Equals PMT, 17%, 12, 2 * 12, 5,400. The rate argument is the interest rate per period for the loan. For example, in this formula the 17% annual interest rate is divided by 12, the number of months in a year. The NPER argument of 2 * 12 is the total number of payment periods for the loan. The PV or present value argument is 5,400.
Take our lead.
We calculate the monthly payment, taking into account the loan amount, interest rate and loan term. The paydown or amortization of the loans over time is calculated by deducting the amount of principal from each of your monthly payments from your loan balance.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Simple interest formulas and calculations. Calculate total amount accrued, principal plus interest, solve for A. A equals P, 1 plus RT. Calculate principal amount, solve for PP equals A, 1 plus RT. Calculate rate of interest in decimal, solve for R. R equals 1 T, A, P1. Calculate rate of interest in percent. Calculate time, solve for T.
Take our lead.
Learn the equation to calculate your payment. The equation to find the monthly payment for an installment loan is called the equal monthly installment (ME) formula. It is defined by the equation monthly payment equals P R 1 plus R caret N 1 plus R caret N1. The other methods listed also use ME to calculate the monthly payment.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.